Hey guys, welcome to StormTech.
Here we are with a tutorial on how to fix the sound problems on Windows. My computer is muted, my laptop has no sound, there is a red cross sign on my volume icon. If you're having these issues, don't even miss a second of this video. Alright, before we start, make sure your cables are plugged into the right jacks and ports because some computers have more than one jacks. And also check the cables as if they're okay, and try reconnecting your headphones or speakers to different ports. Sometimes the problem are from ports. If these options were okay, run the audio troubleshooter. You move your mouse pointer over here on your taskbar and right click on the sound icon, speaker icon, and choose the troubleshoot sound problems. So my PC have problem, you appear to be in a region where the service is not available. You can do this on your own Windows. It's not a big deal, it's not so hard. Just right click on it and troubleshoot sound problems and follow the instructions to detect your problem, detect your audio problem, and it'll fix it automatically. Just follow the instructions, press next and done. So if this doesn't work, try checking if all Windows updates are installed or not. To do that, type in the search box, check for updates. Select this option, and in the Windows Update section, select check for updates and see what the result is. If there is any update available, try to download and update your Windows, and if there weren't any updates available, try the next method, fixing audio drivers. So sometimes your audio problems are from the corrupted drivers. So to fix this, we're gonna have to update our drivers, maybe uninstall them or use the generic audio drivers. Let's try updating our drivers. We're gonna have to open the device manager, type in the search box device manager, open it. Here in this window, go to the sound, video and game controllers. Here check the Realtek high definition audio. Right click on it and select update driver. Select the first option and I'll search for it. Here it says the best drivers for your device are already installed. If it doesn't say that and it says there are updates available for your device, try downloading them and updating your sound drivers. So if that doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling your drivers. So to do that, again, right click on the Realtek high definition audio and select uninstall device and check this box as well and select uninstall. Then restart your computer and your computer will be prompted to install the audio driver automatically. Hopefully this will resolve your problem. So if that doesn't work, you should use the generic audio driver that comes with Windows. So you should right click on the Realtek high definition audio, go to properties, select the right driver tab and update driver. Here select browse my computer for drivers and choose this option. Let me pick from a list of available updates drivers on my computer, and in this section check select the Realtek high definition audio and press next, and it'll automatically install the driver for you. If your audio was working before you ran Windows Update and now isn't working, try rolling back your audio driver. to roll back your audio driver to the previous version of it, which it worked, again right click on the real-time high definition audio, your audio output over here, whatever it is, go to driver tab and select rollback driver. Select your reason, something, and press yes. It'll roll back your driver to the previous version of it, and hopefully it'll work in that version. So if that doesn't work, turning off audio enhancements may help you solve your problem. Sometimes having audio enhancements on can result in audio issues. Disabling them might resolve the issue. So to do that, go to speakers icon over here, go to sounds, and here's my output device. Double click on it or right click on it. Here must be an enhancement tab like this in the recording tab. Look at this, for example. We have an enhancement tab over here. There might be an enhancement tab over here in your speakers. I show what you're gonna do with that on the microphone. Enhancement. Try disabling all your sound effects. Disable all sound effects and select OK. And this might resolve your issue. If that doesn't, we'll go to the next step. Hold on a sec. Has this video been helpful so far? If it was, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It may not be such a big deal for you, but it supports me a lot and motivates me to be more active in making such content. Thanks for that. Let's get back to the video. Restarting audio services. So to do that, go to your service. Here on your taskbar, in the search option, type service, and here in this window, try restarting these three options that I said. First one is remote procedure call or RPC. Go to the R section, find remote procedure. Where is it? Here. Remote procedure call RPC. In my Windows it hasn't started. For example, I'll start it here. Try restarting your service over here. Restart it and it might resolve your problem. If that doesn't, try restarting Windows Audio Endpoint Builder and Windows Audio itself. Over here, Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Try restarting these services as well, just like this. Restart and select OK. And in most cases, this will help your problem to be solved. If that doesn't, don't worry, check the next step. Check for IDT High Definition Audio Codec in Device Manager. Some audio issues might be caused by a problem with the audio system's IDT High Definition Codec, and it can be fixed with a manual driver update. Keep in mind that not all systems have an IDT High Definition Audio Codec. So, go to Device Manager. Again, type Device Manager in the search box. Open Sound, Video and Game Controllers, and look for IDT High Definition Audio Codec over here if it's listed. And if it's listed, right click on it, press Update Driver, and here browse my computer. Browse my computer for drivers and choose let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and choose Realtek High Definition Audio and choose Next. And there, this might solve your issue as well. Well, that's it for the video. And as you know, I accept my subscribers' requests for their favorite videos like this, software tutorials or problems fixing methods like this video. You can check the channel's trailer to find out about details on how to send your email to me. So if this video was useful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like and comment down below. Have a great time. See you guys in the next video.